Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open Discord account in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your Google Chrome. Now search for Discord. Right here, discord.com. Here you can see download for Windows. You have to press on it for download your Discord. I have already downloaded my Discord account. So go for it. So here you can see your Discord account. You can log in your Discord account by your QR code, or you can set your email or phone number. Now you have to give your password. Now click on login. So this is how you can open your Discord account in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.